Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use SAS Visual Statistics to build a decision tree model. So first thing I did was I opened the Explore and Visual Analytics. I opened a new report. We will be using a PVA 97NK SAS dataset for this demonstration. So this data files is here. And once I got the data file, I just wanted to make sure that all my variables have a measurement which intended to have. So I'm quickly going over my variable, ensuring that I have a correct measurement. There are a few variables which I think it required changes of measurement. So that's important, that ensuring that we have right measurement. So I'm changing some measurement which is supposed to be categorical. Currently they are in numeric, so I'm changing into a categorical format. This data file, this PVA97NK table has 9,686 cases, rows, and 28 variables, columns. And the variable we will be using is a target B, which is a binary variable. So what I'm doing right now here is in SAS Visual Statistics, I find out the decision tree, I grab the decision tree, clicked and dropped it, and then I will assign the roles. So I will be using this target B. This is a binary measurement, and it has a two codes, donors and non-donors, and about 4,843 cases in each. And now I'm selecting useful inputs. To select useful input, decision tree uses a split search algorithm. To manage input redundancy, I'm selecting variables which I think will be useful for the analysis. The purpose of this exercise is to help nonprofit organization better target its fundraising efforts. Specifically, the decision tree will create a predictive model that identifies the variables most strongly associated with the potential donor's likelihood to make a donation. So I'm selecting some of the inputs which I think will be very useful in this analysis. And once they're selected, we have this output here. Here we have this decision tree. The core components of a decision trees are the root nodes, which represent the entire data set before any split. So you see the gift count 36 month is a root node. Um, we can zoom it. And so the nodes created from a split nodes are called interior nodes. You see this is interior nodes, and each possible outcome of the split at the interior nodes lead to a separate branch. The terminal nodes is the final leaf node where no further splitting occurs, and it provides a model's prediction. Yeah, I'm just zooming in to learn the statistics of each of those nodes. And you also notice, and we have this the variable importance, importance, like how important these variables are. And obviously, when you see that the gift count 36 month is the most important variables, the variable importance plots indicates the which inputs are the most useful for predicting the target. And you also notice that we have several assessment here in this results, like such as misclassification, for example. Here we can also export our result as well into Excel, which could be useful. We can also generate code if this generate could be used for the programming purposes. Um, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to export the data, and this is saved in a Excel file. And you also see that it's also saved the leaf ID for us, which we just derived from our decision tree. So I hope this tutorial give you getting started with the decision tree. Good luck.